Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'll be talking about the Beyblade X Hasbro releases. This is what I have right now. I'm missing 6 products from this line. And so that includes the 2 Boost, the 1 Starter, the Drongzer S Starter, and Kill Shark. I'm missing those 2 for the booster, and then 2 packs. I'm missing plus the horrible stadium and the launcher set and the launcher, the ripcord launcher. But yeah, definitely stay tuned. Yeah, so it'll be today, starting with the stadium set will be today. This will be uploaded once I get done recording this around 2-3 a.m. Yeah, around 3 a.m. or so. This will go up. But yeah, I do have the launcher. Yeah, definitely really can't wait for this. This week and next week will be full of products going up and videos. Yeah, so 14 days straight of Beyblade Hasbro videos going up. And like probably tomorrow or the next day will be the 6-year Q&A video that will be going up. I recorded it already, but yeah, definitely really good. Sorry about that, but yeah, definitely really fun to see what is going for Wave 1. Can't wait for the July 22nd for the two packs to get those to my collection. And hopefully I can get that green European Drongzer S, but that's a pain to hunt down. Plus, I will be getting the, probably next month or so, I will be getting the rest of, and the Takara Tomy stuff. Plus, I can't wait for the left spin. I know I've been talking about the Beyblade X and doing a lot of Beyblade X stuff, but I'm still hunting. Hopefully I can get more. Yeah, geez, sorry about that, but yeah, definitely really fun to get this. I know people don't like the stadium, but it's okay for right now. Oh yeah, I got this at GameStop. If you've seen in the actual hunting video I did, I will be doing hunting videos every week, every Friday. If I do work. Yeah, for this Friday, I'll be actually doing the morning shift. So I'll be able to do a morning hunt after 12:30. But yeah. Speaking of one of the hunts I did, another YouTuber went to GameStop the same day at a different location. He went to, before he had to go to work, he went to Target, Walmart, Target, then GameStop. He saw of course, the stadium, and also a Kill Knight, a Kill Shark, I meant to say. And I found the same, but he found the starters. I didn't find the starters, but yeah. And I found Rhino Horn, Horn Rhino. But yeah, I need to get used to the Hasbro names. But yeah, I found him instead of Kill Knight. Yeah, I was going to comment on his video, but for some fucking reason, all 3 of my accounts they're not letting me comment or look at my comments on videos. So if you do comment, and it is not made for kids, then yeah. It's just a pain to deal with that for right now, but yeah. I was going to comment on his video, and if he does see this, you should know who you are, because I will be answering your question, because you're the first one to ask us a question for the 6-year Q&A video. But yeah, I've definitely we'll be definitely bulking on getting competitive parts and everything. Okay, sorry about that. And I know he's actually looking for these guys. I ordered these guys online on Amazon. Oh god. I actually got these two before on GameStop. Yeah, for the GameStop I go to, I've been going to that one since 2000? Yeah, so since 2000, when I was 4 years old. I've been going to that one for a pretty long time. I'm definitely aging myself. But yeah. But yeah, and probably you saw my scooter. I actually choose to either do a bike or scooter because it's really nice out there, even though it's hot as hell. It's like 100 degrees yesterday. It's probably gonna be around the same today. But yeah, and also I don't feel like paying for gas and car insurance and everything like that. But yeah, definitely really fun to see this, and I will be getting a ton of stadium sets once there's more when Target, GameStop, and Walmart gets actual full sets and everything like that. More just for competitive parts. Definitely for Rush. It's definitely a really good part. And for yeah, Incendios. This seriously sounds like, I've said it in the actual unboxing, but this literally sounds like a Harry Potter spell. Or actually, Raven, if you know, from the early 2000s cartoon series, Teen Titans. Sounds like one of her spells. Again, aging myself because I watched that one. I actually rewatched the full series because I have the complete set and the complete series for DVD. Yeah. I actually just got these guys too, and yesterday. Just record those, and I will begin the Drans, Drans, Sword Drans will be coming in today for me. Then road coming to, I need to do some testing. I've just been way too lazy. I need to do it on my off time. But I've been playing, replaying some of my childhood games. And I can't wait. If you guys don't know, I'm a big Nintendo fan. I grew up with Nintendo from the N64 through GameCube and the Wii. I'm only missing the Wii U for my whole collection, so I have NES through to the Wii. Then I skipped straight to the Switch. And I can't wait for the Switch game to come out. But yeah, again, here's a close-up. Definitely really can't wait for this. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. Also, I will be doing a bit more battles with Freya V. I know I've been doing stuff with her lately. And I will link in the description below to get this. But yeah, like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this, and goodbye.